Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on more ratio problems worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets where we have some problems to do with ratio. We're given a particular amount, and that amount is divided either 2 ways or 3 ways or 4 ways depending on the problem. And our object is to find out the value of each part. Now, we've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure what to do, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. I will leave this slide on for about 1 minute. You can pause the video, of course, for as long as you want. And after about a minute, I'll go on to the next slide. So good luck with it. Okay, I'll go on to the next slide now. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. So I'll leave the next slide on for about a minute. So here is the next slide, and after about a minute, I'll put it on the last slide before the video finishes. Okay, I'll go on to the last slide now, where you can click on the lesson if you need some help, and by all means pause this video at any time if you need more time to look at any of the problems. I hope you enjoyed this little problem solving exercise, and I'll have more videos coming in the near future.